The Cosmetology program at Nash Community College provides industry-based knowledge in a simulated salon environment. Students learn hands-on fundamentals along with scientific and artistic principles associated with the cosmetology industry. Program courses instruct students in all phases of professional imaging, including hair design, chemical processes, skincare, nail care, and multicultural practices. The program also delves into business principles, computer skills, and product knowledge. Degree graduates should qualify to sit for the State Board of Cosmetic Arts examination for licensure. Diploma and certificate options are also available. For more information about the cosmetology program or the salon services open to the public, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-443-4011.